At the motor side of the awning, use a number 4 Allen wrench to remove the end cap on the valance end bar. With a 2.5 Allen wrench, loosen the fabric lock screw and carefully slide out the fabric locking pin. At the opposite end, loosen the fabric locking screw to slide the fabric locking pin towards the end cap, freeing the valance. Slide the old valance towards the end where the end cap was removed and continue sliding it down the track until fully removed. Slide the new valance down the spline track until it reaches the end. Insert the opening into the fabric locking pin and tighten the screw lock with the 2.5 Allen wrench. Insert the fabric locking pin into the track at the other end and tighten the locking screw. Reinsert the end cap on the valance end bar and tighten it with the number 4 Allen wrench. Close the awning to within 4 inches. Then hand push the front bar close to within 6 inches and tie off the arms at both ends so it can't open. This will release the tension on the roller tube. Remove the Allen head screws located at both ends of the cassette lock plates using a number 4 Allen wrench. Repeat the same process on the opposite end. With a number 4 Allen wrench, loosen the screw and remove the front bar end cap on both ends. On the motor side cassette end cap, remove the top Phillips head screw as shown. Repeat the same process on the opposite end. Raise the front lip of the cassette and using a number 2.5 Allen wrench, loosen and remove the fabric lock at both ends of the roller tube. Unroll all the fabric out, making sure it doesn't bunch up. After all the fabric locks have been removed, you can remove the fabric by grabbing the fabric close to the fabric track at both the roller tube and the front bar, pulled towards the end of the awning. If necessary, remove the plastic spline from the old fabric and insert into the new fabric. Slide the new fabric into the fabric slot and pull all the fabric onto the roller tube and front bar. Reinsert the fabric locks and tighten screws. Reattach the front bar end cap with a number 4 Allen wrench on both ends. Roll the fabric back onto the roller tube, being careful to roll it on properly. Reattach the cassette end cap using the number 4 Allen wrench and screw. Remove straps from both arms. Test awning for functionality.